The 35-year-old put the millions watching on television, and the thousands camped out on the Nove Peninsula in Weymouth, through the ringer as his gold medal bid went down to the wire. With Ainslie needing to beat the Danish sailor Jonas Hogg Christensen to have any chance of taking gold, all eyes were on their duel. But as Ainslie kept him at bay at the back of the fleet, Dutchman Peter Jan Postma, the only other sailor mathematically capable of depriving Ainslie of gold, began to move through the gears. At one stage on the final downwind leg, Postma was in second place, with Ainslie ninth, which would have meant silver for the Briton.